Founded in 2008, Milestone has dedicated 16 years to the art of luxury handbag manufacturing. Merging Eastern craftsmanship with global aesthetics, we offer one-stop leather goods solutions for premium brands worldwide. Our 5,000 Centier self-owned modern factory is located in Dongguan, China, equipped with 3 efficient production lines and a skilled team of over 350 professionals, 15% of whom have more than 20 years of experience. In 2024, we launched our new facility in Guangxi, expanding our production space to 10,000 Centier and adding multiple advanced lines. This has increased our capacity by 300%. Our partner makers transform design concepts into practical structure blueprints. We create precise paper patterns, defining dimensions and placements for every material piece. Trial samples are then cut and sewn for structural validation. This prototype becomes the quality benchmark from the first piece to the last. Every piece of leather and thread undergoes multiple inspections to meet our high standards. Laser cutting technology offers precision up to 0.1 millimeter, improving material utilization by 14%. High temperature bonding adds structure and durability, achieving both aesthetic and functional excellence. Segmented material preparation refines the workflow, setting the strong foundation for stitching. Edges are hand-painted and polished repeatedly, creating smooth, rounded finishes. Our workshop is equipped with 5 specialized sewing machines, paired with high-density threads for tight, uniform stitches and solid construction. Every finished product goes through a strict quality control process, covering leather, hardware, stitching, and vibration testing. We use custom eco-friendly packaging to ensure every item reaches clients in perfect condition. Milestone has provided OEM services to dozens of international brands across classic, trendy, and minimalist styles. Over the past 3 years, we have steadily scaled our output, covering sea, land, and air. We can deliver worldwide in as fast as 10 days. From China to the world, our products are now exported to Europe, North America, Japan, Korea, and beyond. Milestone, the craftsmanship behind luxury handbags.